Hey AP, this is your distance learning video for Monday, May 11th. First, I just want to say thank you for your survey feedback. I have decided to end the course after the exam, so this is our second to last Monday together. We're not going to be synchronous today, as you can see, but we will be next Monday. So unless you're taking the AP Environmental Science exam, please try to make every effort to be there next Monday. This is your last weekly essay coming up tomorrow. I know that I still need to get you last week's essay back, for which I apologize. But I promise that you'll get them back today so that you can use that feedback for your final AP essay. Okay, a couple things. So given that we are ending after the exam, that means there is no final for this course. So here's how your grades are going to be weighted. And FYI, this doesn't come from me. This comes from the school administration. Q1, Q2, and Q3 will each be worth 30%, and Q4 will be worth only 10% of your grade. So in part because it's shorter and in part because distance learning is just different from what we've been doing in school, Q4 will have much lighter weight. The other thing I wanted to address in this video, last week I forgot to tell the exit ticket to collect email addresses. So I just clicked exempt for all of your grades. But there were a few questions that came up that I want to answer here. As far as how many tabs you're allowed to have open, the answer is 2. When you're taking the exam, you'll see that today when you click through the PowerPoint. And the next question was what kind of paper you can use if you're handwriting. Lined paper is best, but they will allow you to use plain white paper if for some reason you want that. Try to use lines though for the sake of your AP reader's eyes. The last question was, what do I do if my file is bigger than 15 megabytes? You won't be able to upload it if that is the case. So you might want to play around a little bit now on your computer and see, well, how big are the images I'm making now? How big are the documents I'm making now? And make sure that they are under 15. If you're having some issue where they're consistently over that size, shoot me an email and let's talk through how you might be able to fix that. So for today's work, finally getting to that, you're going to be taking a little survey about the stuff I'm going to drop off at your house. I need everybody to do that. Make sure you choose your own name for the first question. And then after that survey, I would suggest you open up the Google Slides that I've shared with you to review one more time some testing mechanics for next week. And then your exit ticket is just some questions about those testing mechanics. So that's it. If you have any questions and you want to come to tutorial today, please stop by. Again, tomorrow is our final AP essay for the year. And you should see your score for the last one in today. So check PowerSchool or check your email, depending on how you shared it with me, so that you can get that feedback and use it for tomorrow. Take care. Talk to you soon.